All right, this demonstration shows how to use the Environment Canada bulk download tools available through my GitHub repo. Step one, if you don't already have the repository downloaded, would be to navigate to the proper GitHub repository, click clone or download, download a zip file. And this will be a package of everything that you need in order to run this. Save it somewhere on your PC, extract it, and that'll be your working directory for this. And so for this example, I have this repository extracted here at this location. So once you have this open, you're going to have a couple of directories. So one with some documentation, one with data. It comes with some sample data, but this is also where data will be saved. And then you have a number of files here. The two that are the ones that you would run are the get ECWX, which is to be run in MATLAB, and then another one, get ECWX Octave, which is meant to be run in Octave. And the reason these are different is because MATLAB has some more advanced tools for scraping data from the web, and so the Octave format has to use other means. All right, so once you have that installed, you can open up Octave. And the key here is just to navigate and change the current directory to wherever you've extracted it. So in this case, I'm going to open it to here. So once it's open here, you should be pretty much ready to run the script after you configure it appropriately. So opening up the get ECWX Octave script here and taking a look at it, what you need to change here would be your save directory. So you want this to match the directory location for this data folder. So in my case, this is correct. You might need to change this for your purposes. Then you have to decide if you want to capture hourly, daily, or monthly data, and that's set with the time frame flag. You have to enter the identifiers for the stations that you want to collect, and you can separate multiple stations with a semicolon here, so you can have as long of a list as you want. These values, these identifier numbers, can be found in the station inventory document that's in the EC documentation folder here. You can set your start year, your end year, so what's the first and last year that you want to collect this data for. And the compile flag, if you set it to 1, it'll compile all the files into 1. Otherwise, it's going to download monthly files for hourly data, yearly files for daily data, and so on. And then you'll have to work with them separately or put them together. So once you have all that together, and you have all these input variables, parameters the way that you want, you should just be able to run it now. So all you need to do at this point is just click go, and this will run through there. Alternatively, you could type the name of the function, or sorry, the script in here. So you could type in get ECWX Octave and hit enter, and that will work as well. So you see that this has run through, and we have some results in here now.